I'm going to do a little video on replacing a mirror on a 94 Toyota. I looked on YouTube and I couldn't find my model, this one with the little triangle sides. I couldn't find any videos and I was worried because I'm very terrible with body pieces and stuff, but this just comes right off. And then 3 screws. This should just pop right off. There it goes. Tequila. Oh, we'll fit the new one on. Clean this up because, you know, gotta stay clean on a Baja truck. Clean up in there a little bit. Good enough for government work. And put the little gasket on. Put this guy in there. It's kind of hard to do this two-handed. Looking at the 2 gaskets here, this is the Chinese one, this is the Japanese one. This one fits way better, so I'm gonna skip using this piece of crap and I'm gonna put the original back on. Of course, these screws don't fit in the cheap Chinese part. So, lesson for today on Toyota: OEM, people, OEM. So I was able to retrofit the old mount to the new mirror, and I get the screws in now because they fit. So I think we have a winner so far, and our mirror is going to be fixed. So I'm pretty stoked. I think I'll look for an OEM mirror though. But yeah, we're gonna get that done and we'll get this little piece put back on after the other screws, and I think we're good to go. Have a great day. Got some fences going on and there's not many waves. But Baja's awesome. See you guys later.